Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Real English News. This is Sharif Akram Yamani. Let's have today's headlines. The Congress had performed excitingly well in the recently held municipality elections across the state. The TDP has outperformed the YSR Congress in the municipality election in the Seema Andhra region. The MIM party does great in the municipality election held across the states, captures Bhansa municipality. Foreign student protested in front of OU campus. Pahari Sharif police arrested 6 people involved in producing adulterated oil. Dozens of oil packets seized from the possessions. Let's have headlines in details. The Congress party has outperformed the TRS in the municipality elections in the Telangana region. The municipality election results are out. The Congress party has emerged as the number 1 party in the Telangana region so far as the municipality election results are concerned. The Congress has won 21 out of 53 municipalities in the region, while the TRS managed to win only 8. The TDP won 3, the BJP managed to win 2 municipalities, while the MIM and BSP won 1 municipality each. 17 municipalities saw no party getting majority. The MIM won the Bhansina municipality, Congress won 522 wards, TRS got 3 wards, TDP won 162 wards. The TDP has won 63 municipalities in the Seema Andhra regions, outtaking the YSRCP. Seema Andhra region saw the TDP winning 63 out of 92 municipalities. YSCP won in 23 municipalities. 6 municipalities saw no party getting absolute majority. TDP won 5 corporations out of 7. YSCP managed to win 2 corporations. TDP won in 1446 wards. YSRC won in 852 wards, while the Congress party managed to win in 52 wards. The MIM party has done exceptionally well in the recently held municipality elections as now the state. The MIM party has managed to get the 4th position in Telangana and Rayalaseema municipal polls, creating a history of the sorts. The MIM party managed to win in 107 wards in the Telangana and Rayalaseema region. The party also captured the Bhansina municipality, defeating the Congress, TDP, BJP, TRS and other parties. In Karimnagar and Nizamabad Municipal Corporation, the party has turned out to be the king maker. The party make here a deputy head in both this corporation. The people across the city, especially in the old city, are celebrating the party's historic program. Foreign student protested outside the OU campus. The student protested against the dismissal of the fellow student from the EFLU. The police has used a lathi charge to disperse the protesting students. The students were visibly unhappy with this. The student demanded that the dismissed student be taken back and justice must be done to him.
చలో ఇప్పుడు కార్యక్రమం చేస్తామని గత 5 రోజుల క్రితం ప్రకటించాము. ఖచ్చితంగా దాన్ని చేసి తీరును. ఇవాళ ఒకటే అడుగుతా ఉన్నాం. ఇవాళ 3 విద్యార్థులను ఒక అద్దం పగిలిందని ఇవాళ 3 దళిత గిరిజన విద్యార్థులను అరెస్ట్ చేసి ఇవాళ రచ్చగడి చేశారు. ఇవాళ మేము ఒకటే అంటా ఉన్నాం. ఇవాళ విద్యార్థులు తమ హక్కులను స్వేచ్ఛను అడిగితే ఇవాళ మన బందీఖానాలకు బందీ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ఇవాళ గిరిజన విద్యార్థులు దళిత విద్యార్థులు వాడల నుంచి తండాల నుంచి ఇవాళ చదువుకోవడానికి యూనివర్సిటీకి వస్తే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న అగ్రవర్ణ భూస్వామ్య ఇక్కడ హిందుత్వ పాఠ్యం నడుస్తూ ఉన్నది. యూనివర్సిటీ అంటే స్వేచ్ఛగా సౌభ్రాతత్వంతో సమానత్వం నడవాలి, కానీ ఇక్కడ కులం అనేది ఒక సంచరిస్తున్నది. ఇక్కడ
Pahari Sharif police have arrested 6 people involved in manufacturing adulterated oil. and seized oil packets from their possessions. The Cyberabad police, raiding a forest like or near Jalpalli in the Pahari Sharif police limits, seized oil being made from animal bones, fat and intestines. 6 people were taken into custody. The owner of this racket managed to escape. The police seized about 100 oil packets of this kind from the place, and a case was registered against the accused. Circle Inspector Pahari Sharif Police and other members of the police team were present on the scenario. Highest ever turnouts of 66%, highest ever turnout of 66.38% recorded in the Lok Sabha election. The curtains came down on Monday on the Maton Lok Sabha election with an all-time record high turnout of 66.38% as the final phase of polling covering 41 seats in 3 states replicated the trend of increased voter participation seen in the previous 8 rounds. The overall turnouts in the 9 phases of polling this year stood at 66.38%. Arrangement for counting of votes being made in Hyderabad. Hyderabad District Election Officer DEO and Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation GHMC Commissioner Somesh Kumar on Saturday asked authorities concerned to complete the necessary arrangement at counting centers by May 14th. The Election Commission has also permitted the local election official to have 12 into 12 counting tables, 12 for assembly and equal number for parliamentary constituency at counting centers. Somesh Kumar visited strong rooms at Polytechnic College Masab Tank, Nizam College and Albi Stadium and reviewed arrangements. Speaking on this occasion, he asked the official to complete all arrangement by the May 14 to ensure hassle-free counting. Already elaborate arrangement for counting of votes of 2 Lok Sabha and 15 Assembly constituency are being made.
అన్ని ఏర్పాటు కౌంటింగ్ కోసం జరుగుతుంది. ఎట్లా బ్యారికేడింగ్ చేయాలి, ఈ సైడ్ ఏజెంట్స్ ఉంటారు, తర్వాత అంటే వేరే పొలిటికల్ పార్టీస్ వాళ్ళు కౌంటింగ్ ఏజెంట్స్ ఉంటారు, ఆ సైడ్ అట్లే ఉంటుంది. మధ్యలో టేబుల్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఒక్కొక్క టేబుల్ మీద 3 ఆఫీషియల్స్ ఉంటారు. 1 పర్సన్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ కౌంటింగ్ సూపర్వైజర్, ఆయన ఒక గెజిటెడ్ ఆఫీసర్గా ఉంటారు. అదేవిధంగా ఒక కౌంటింగ్ అసిస్టెంట్, ఆయన ఒక నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ క్యాడర్ వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. తర్వాత ప్రతి టేబుల్ మీద ఒక గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఆఫీషియల్ మైక్రో అబ్జర్వర్గా ఉంటారు.
Russian sport shots of recognizing East Ukraine session vote. The Russian government stopped short on Monday of outright recognizing of the continuance of referendums carried out by separatists in 2 Russian-speaking provinces of southeastern Ukraine. Instead, using the result of intensifying pressure for some kind of negotiation autonomy for those provinces. While the separatists declared that the voting on Sunday showed overwhelming support for the autonomy, Russia avoided any suggestion it would use the result in the same way it used the crime Renalis referendum in March. Within 48 hours, the Crimea vote President Vladimir Putin gave speech from the Kremlin declaring Russia would Crimea, which would once were a part of Russia. Let's have a look at today's top stories of sports news. Unconvincing Nadal handed Madrid winner in as Nishikori. Refers Rafa Nadal won an unconvincing second straight Madrid Open title after Kei Nishikori sustained a back injury when closing on victory in the second set of Sunday's final and was forced to retire early in the third. Spurs manager Tim Sherwood gives fan his famous guilt and his seat on the bench during final match. 2 days after comparing himself to supply teacher who does not get the same respect as the headmaster, Simon's manager bizarre human being Tim Sherwood pulled a fan out of the crowd at a White Hart Lane and led him to be Tim Sherwood for the final few minutes of the season. Roy Hodgson opened our youthful England squad at World Cup. Oz Barley, Jordan Henderson, Raheem Sterling and Luke Shaw were selected to England's 23-man FIFA World Cup squad. The squad announcement heard a new era for England. So starved of success in its 1966 World Cup triumph, often plagued by the heavy weight of national expectations, Hodgson will hope his young players can spring surprise in Brazil as his side intentionally faced off against Italy, Uruguay and Costa Rica Group 7. The quarter of 23 or younger are among 12 players heading to the first ever major championship as coach Roy Hodgson look for the future. Don King is back whether boxing likes it or not. Don King is once again the promoter of the heavyweight championship of the world and number 1 within 3 blocks of the Gale Center campus on Saturday. Could have missed that. He talked of the going of the World Cup Tour, social issues such as women's rights and racism, while nearly 20 hits, ignoring the man seated to his left who had just won the WBC heavyweight title. Richard H. Lee hits 2 of the worst goal shots who will ever see in a row. Before Richard H. Lee got the 17th TPC Sawgrass, he was having a pretty great week. Leo was playing his second player championship, making the career for the first time and making the great run on early Sunday. Lee was 2 under for the day when he was outlined on the par 317th and for the 4th day in a row. That's usually a good thing at the famous Aslan Bree was where Lee's short game basically disappeared. Let's have a look on today's stock market. Sensex 23,551 with 2.42%, whereas Nifty for today stand with 7,014.25 with 2.27%. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rate according to Malabar Golds. As per the Malabar Golds for today, that is Monday 12th May, the gold rates for 22 carats of gold for 10 grams it's rupees 27,830, whereas for 24 carats of gold for 10 grams it's rupees 29,443. Silver rates for today for 10 grams it's rupees 443. Let's have a look on today's weather report of 6 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius and maximum 39 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius and maximum 39 degrees Celsius. Mehbubnagar minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Medak minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Whereas the temperature for Khammam district for today is minimum with 29 degrees Celsius and maximum 44 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. The Congress had performed excitingly well in the recently held municipality elections across the state. The TDP has outperformed the YSR Congress in the municipality election in the Seema Andhra region. The MIM party does great in the municipality election held across the states, captures Bhansa municipality. Foreign student protested in front of OU campus. Pahari Sharif police arrested 6 people involved in producing adulterated oil. Dozens of oil packets seized from the possessions. That's all in this newscast for today. Keep watching Real English News. This is Sharif Ikram Yamani. Sign off for today. Allah Hafiz.